Hey boys and girls, I'm going to show you a lesson today about using three factors to multiply. Now, in today's lesson, you're going to see problems that look like this. You're going to see 3 times 6 times 4. You might see 7 times 2, oops, not Z. 7 times 2 times 5. You might see all kinds of problems that are going to have triple digits in them. Now, if I erase this right here, let's just take the beauty about multiplication is when we are multiplying, we can multiply in different orders. What I mean by that is, if I take 3 times 6, that's 18. I'm still left over with my 4. 18 times 4. We've been working on double-digit by single-digit multiplication for a while now, so this should be a pretty straightforward problem. So remember, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 4 and I'm actually going to move it down to the bottom. 18 times 4 equals. Now when we multiply, you can do it one of two ways. The way that we have been doing it in class is we've been taking 18 and breaking it up into a sum of its parts. What I mean by that is 18 is equal to 10 plus 8, and we're still multiplying by 4, so 10 times 4, and 8 times 4. So, 8 times 4, 32. 10 times 4, 40, and I just add those together and I get 72. Over here, doing it more traditionally, 8 times 4 is 32. 4 times 1 is 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 72. 3 times 6 times 4 is equal to 72. Now, we don't have to do it like that. We could do it, I'm going to erase all this work. Remember, we started with 3 times 6. What I'm about to do this time is I'm going to reorganize how I do my multiplication. I'm going to start with 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. I'm left with 3 times 24. So again, I'm just going to set up 24 times 3 equals 3 times 4 is 12. Still have that 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. My answer is still 72. So I'm going to erase. And the one combination I haven't done yet is this. Start off with 3 times 4. The reason I don't like doing the outside is it kind of leaves us in the middle with an awkward number, but 3 times 4 is 12 times 6, and as I rewrite that, 12 times 6 equals 6 times 2 is 12, 12, sorry. 2, carry the 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. My answer, 72. So no matter how I do that problem, 3 times 6 first, 6 times 4 first, or 3 times 4 times 6, I've always gotten the same answer of 72. So today, as you're working on your lesson, just remember that when you multiply, take what you are comfortable with, and then you're going to end up with a double digit by a single digit multiplication problem. Utilize that as a resource. Thank you. Have a great day.